Dumaguete?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Not what I was expecting. Okay, the ferry was 30 minutes, and now I'm in a luxury tricycle. I actually have cushions. It's luxury, this guy. It's actually padded, and the rain stopped. And he tells me there's a 3 p.m. ferry to Siquijor, which is my end destination, so things are going okay. The first step to enjoying a trip to Siquijor is simply finding your way there. My travel day started in Moalboal. It's going to sound like a tedious and complicated journey, but it actually goes a lot smoother than you would expect. The first thing I did was hop on a bus and headed south. You can trust a tricycle will be waiting for you. Take the tricycle to the ferry port. Hop on a ferry to Dumaguete. Pick up another tricycle and head to the Dumaguete port. That's where you pick up the ferry that goes to the Siquijor port. Hop on yet another tricycle and have it take you right to your hotel. Almost done for the day. Assuming you are staying in San Juan like I was, this final tricycle ride will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. It's easy to get around. Catch it. This is an awesome island to explore by motorbike, so if you already know you'll be renting a motorbike, I highly recommend simply rent one straight from the port. Siquijor is the best island for a beginner on the motorbike. It has one major road that loops around the island, and outside of that port area, the roads are generally quiet and very empty. After getting settled, I looked up restaurants within walking distance, and the trendy Baja bar was not that far away. I crashed early on this night. There's not much nightlife in Siquijor as it is, but most importantly, I had an entire island to go explore the next day. My first morning in Siquijor, and the roosters make sure that you are up at the crack of dawn. And my first goal of the day is to find some coffee, so here we go. At this point in my trip, I had learned two big things about the Filipinos. The first one is that they love 80s music, especially 1980s ballads. And the other thing is they love basketball. Laker fans? Lakers? No? Lakers? Yeah. Kobe Bryant? I would need to show the Filipinos how Americans ball at another time.
LeBron James.
You like LeBron James? Oh, I like Kobe Bryant.
Kobe Bryant.
Yeah, that was Kobe Bryant. LeBron's okay too.
Legend, Kobe Bryant.
What's that?
Kobe Bryant is a legend.
Yeah, a legend. Absolutely. Yeah. Nice, I like it. I like your court. The breakfast restaurants opened a little late, so I did have to start with Nescafe. But once Marco Polo opened later in the morning, I was good to go. As I waited for my motorbike rental to be delivered to me, I was able to ponder my only experience actually driving a motorbike. I don't know, maybe I was about 12 years old and I borrowed my neighbor's motorbike and I tried to show off. Well, it was time for my redemption, and this is the bike that was gonna do it for me. mapped out a full day of waterfall hikes, and I was off and on my way. Lugnasonfalls, and I just got off my first motorbike ride and experience, and it went pretty good. Cruising straight is stress-free. Turning gets a little stressful, so I gotta get better at turning. And then you gotta dodge goats and chickens and roosters. The roads were mostly empty, so it's pretty easy. My water shoes would not be doing well right here. I'm glad I brought my real shoes. In fact, my water shoes just haven't been good enough for this whole trip so far. So consider getting the thicker. I've seen people, they look like Crocs or something. Or they are Crocs, I don't know. But a thicker rubber than my water shoes. I'm at a fork in the roads. I hear the waterfall. I'm gonna try this way first. And there she is. My first waterfall in Siquijor. Yes, first time.
How many days?
3 days I'll be in Siquijor. Did I say it right? Siquijor? Yeah.
Where do you stay?
I stay, was it San Juan? It's 25 minutes maybe to here. On the motorbike, driving slow. For the most part. I did get a lot better with the motorbike. I'm ready for racing. Ready to go. Except I almost crashed at the very end. It's perfect. This is awesome. Another basketball hoop court with the roof. That's their thing here. I said to them, I was like, where are all the players? They said there's no players, but I counted 1, 2, 3, 4 players. So I don't understand. We have enough for a whole team.
Hello.
I don't get it.
Good afternoon. What's your name and
Okay.
country?
I'm gonna play. Do you play basketball? No. No? You guys probably play basketball. We gonna play a game? I got a game going. Let's see what these Filipino kids are made of basketball wise. I got the win, showed that the Filipinos how it's done in the US of A, but now I got a problem. I got this boar blocking my path. Hey puppy. Hey puppy. Okay, he's innocent. He's gentle. Gentle giant. So more of the same through the jungle. By some people's homes and gardens and things. I don't know. I don't have a guide on this one. They offered, but I just said no. They said it was only 5 minutes. So it should be good. And then I'm gonna do this one, and then I missed the big one. So I'll try to find it on a map to show everyone. I don't know how I missed it. They said it's the biggest one and it's easy to find, so I missed it. So I'm gonna backtrack and go find it, and then that's the end of my waterfalls for today. I think I still have tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go watch the sunset on the beach with a couple of Germans I met at breakfast. Man, incredible. There's no people at this one. This is the most popular waterfall by far. Look at all those motorbikes. What I've heard is, and then this is a local spot, so the locals will be here too, mixed in with this tourist folk. Let's see what the fee is for this guy. Oh, another puppy.
Hello.
Look at that puppy. Look at the little puppy! How much for the puppy? How many pesos?
You want something to drink, sir?
Man, that puppy must be 2 days old. No, I have water. Thank you.
Okay. Later.
How many
Hi, sir.
pesos?
Can I check the ticket?
I don't have a ticket. Where do I get it?
Give the...
There, inside the
Sir, you give the name.
The name? I would name
the
that dog
girl.
Kobe.
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 It's a girl.
Like Kobe beef. Yeah, that's okay.
Kobe.
If you spell it with an I, it's okay. K-O-B-I-E.
K-O-B.
Then it
Yeah.
would be
K-O-B-Y.
I
Y would be okay too. Yeah,
Yeah,
then it's a girl.
could be, yeah.
So it's okay.
K-O-B. Kobe.
I hope it's okay.
Oh.
My dog's name's Kobe.
Kobe.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And
Where
this-
are you, sir?
Okay.
I live in Tennessee right now in the United States.
Where is it? United
Yeah,
States.
yeah.
I give the name of Kobe. Kobe.
Kobe! Maybe we need a little Kobe.
Kobe.
Oh, so tiny. It's a good name.
1 month.
It's a good name.
Thank you.
I'll be right back. You gotta buy a ticket to this waterfall. You sell tickets? No. Inside.
Go. Go.
You sell the tickets. And the first look at this waterfall, and yep, this is a big old lake. Look at the color of that blue. This could have counted as the workout for today.
Pat.
Hi, Kobe.
1632.
Dito.
That was tiring. Chickens, goats, dogs, cows. Everywhere. Okay, now I'm sitting down for some Korean barbecue at my hotel. It's a Korean place, so I'm gonna eat some Korean food. Every beer gets wrapped, which is good, except for you feel like you're creating a little garbage. Korean fried chicken and technically beef sushi. So sometimes when you travel alone, you have to eat by yourself, but tonight is not a problem. Hi guys. The next day I was back on the road looking for the best snorkeling and the best beaches on the island. I highly recommend that you check out the Marine Sanctuary. It was probably the most epic coral reef that I had ever seen. gonna swim back, get a little closer to my bag. But this is amazing. Glad I did this. I almost didn't do this. Not only was the snorkeling a big hit in Siquijor, but so were the beaches. In fact, Palitonbeach is even known as Little Boracay. And I will be getting on the ferry to Moalboal in about an hour. In terms of my morning and motor cycling around here, I feel like I just beat the boss level of motorbiking. I had to go up and over the mountain to get here. The road is under construction, and anywhere it wasn't under construction, it needed to be under construction. And potholes and dirt, and then it was raining on me. I had extra weight because of my bag. So anyways, a little bit of an adventure, but I got here safely. And a couple other lessons I learned in the last day is that you definitely can't trust ATM machines. It took me 4 ATMs to find one that worked, so I got a little worried about in terms of buying my ferry ticket because I got low on cash. And then, keep some toilet paper in your pocket. That's another tip. You can only hear that on Dog Dad Dave. Siquijor may not have everything that Boracay and the other big named islands has, but it sure offered a lot. It was beautiful, there was lots of adventure, it was more convenient, and lower priced. It lacked some nightlife, but you can still drink on the beach. Just make your own party. Now be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of my adventure as I spend a week in Moalboal on my way back to Cebu City.